Only the exam.
That's not good, right? 665. Nothing else copper gold.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So now we got
Yes,
it actually. This value already completed. I guess
yes, sir.
1 by 4 by, you know this one, right?
Yes,
Did you understand this problem? No.
understood, sir. Understood.
Sine square means sine 1 by sine 30, 1 by 4. Sine 60 squares, 3 by
Yes,
4.
sir.
So when you do this, 4 4 cancel, 1 by 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. The other one, there's one more problem.
Okay, sir.
That one, the previous problem is very easy. Just if you know the sine 30, sine 60 over.
Yes,
How can we do this problem? Yeah, now at what angle the range and maximum height of a projectile are equal? What is the angle? What is the angle at which the range and maximum height of a projectile are equal? He's saying that at what angle the maximum height and ranges are equal. So he's asking this to find the theta value.
yes, sir.
So he gave the condition, I am providing the range is equal to maximum height. And I'm asking at what an angle that? At what angle these two are same? Very small angle, right? You
Yes,
can
sir.
think about it.
Yes, sir.
Should be like this. Almost. Theta should be very close to 0 only. Both are same. Otherwise, it's different. No, maximum height is saying, right? No. It
Yes, sir.
should be not like theta should be small. It should be like this only. Theta should be the small. I think something like this only. Here
Yes,
only
sir.
maximum height and range are same. Yeah, whatever. But we have to find according to the mathematics. So we don't okay. So we need to write both equations. As we know that range and maximum height. What is the range equation?
R equal to
Uh, U square
sine 2 theta
Yes, sir.
sine
2 theta g
2 theta
by g.
by g. And what is the maximum height equation?
U square
U square
sine square theta by 2g.
sine square theta by 2g. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now GG gets cancelled. Can I cancel? So both are equal now, yeah. So he gave that condition. The problem itself, they mentioned that
Yes, sir.
both range and maximum are equal. And what is the angle by which it projected? So I can cancel GG. So I have to find only theta. So U square also I can cancel it. So now left with what I left it, sine 2 theta is equal to sine square theta. Now, what is the formula for sine 2 theta? I said, right, this 2 sine theta.
Yes, sir.
We got it, this sine 2 theta cos theta, right?
Sine and sine square.
Is equal to sine square theta. I mean, I can write 1 square cancel with this square, right? 2 sine, I can cancel it, right? Or I can write it sine
Yes,
theta
sir.
into sine theta. So sine square I'm writing as a sine theta into sine theta. 1 sine theta
Yes,
is
sir.
1. So now I have a 2 cos theta is equal to sine theta.
Yes, sir.
So when I divide on both sides or bring the sine theta, so keep 2 one side, bring the cos theta other side. So sine theta by cos theta. What is the sine theta by cos theta? Tan theta. Answer is wrong, you mentioned here. It's a 2. So tan theta is equal to 2. Tan theta is equal to 2. Where is minus 1?
Yes, sir.
No, there is an inverse. When I want to bring this theta inverse function, we call it as a inverse function. Means it should be inverse of 2. I mean, why am just simple thing. Theta is equal to 2 by tan, right? When you bring down, when you go up, inverse. So that is the way you can remember. But usually tan theta is the normal function. Tan inverse theta is the inverse function. So when you bring from one side to, if you want to only theta value, you should bring the whatever sine, tan, whatever the function is here, you should bring it to other side. You have to keep the minus power, minus 1 of 2. I mean, anyway, if you bring it back to here, again,
Yes, sir.
tan theta is equal to. Okay? So answer is theta is equal to tan
Yes,
inverse
sir.
of 2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. One more problem, easy one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So here, what is the range of a projectile? What is the range of a projectile when the velocity of the object projectile is 20 meter per second and time of flight is 10 seconds? So, he gave that velocity of projectile, he gave initial velocity, which is 20 meter per second, and time of flight, total time also given, total time of flight and time of ascent and time of descent. So now he's asking range. Range is equal to what?
Sir.
Horizontal velocity into time of flight. Range is what?
Yes, sir.
So simple is asking. So range is nothing but this range.
Thanks, sir.
So horizontal velocity always does not change. So u only. We don't here we don't talk about theta, because I think here is talking about like this other situation, like this vertical projectile, like when you're throwing object from the flight.
Yes, sir.
In that case, we don't have any theta. So we take only u into time of flight. So u is given, t is given, so 200 meters. So the vertical, this distance is equal to 200 meters. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, there's one more kind of problem, but it may be tough for you, because when you do the mathematics derivatives, you may be good. I mean, you may be feel easy, but here they give the equation like this: y is equal to 10x minus 5 by 9x square. It's like algebraic equation kind of, but is asking maximum height. How do we calculate the maximum height? So maximum height is actually, you have to suppose y is there. When you want to maximize dy by dt dx, you have to do. I mean, change in y with respect to x, or delta y by delta x, you have to do. For that, what we do, I already mentioned before, whenever, this is a function y. So when I
Yes,
want
sir.
to do dy by dx, so 10 is the constant, it doesn't, x is 1, d by dx of x is equal to, I told you before,
Yes, sir.
1, d by dx, in general also I mentioned x power n is equal to
Yes,
x,
sir.
nx power n minus 1. So if n is equal to 1, x. If n is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
2, what I am going to get here? 2x power 2 minus 1, which is actually 2x power 1, which is actually 2x. So when I keep
Yes, sir.
1, here 1 is there. 1 means 1 x power 1 minus 1. So x power 0, which is 1. So 10 into x. So x value derivative means 1. So 1 minus 5 by 9, you have to keep as it is constant. X square, how much we got it? 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
2x.
Yes, sir.
So you should make it this is equal to 0. To find the maximum height, you have to find the derivative of y and make it 0. So equate this equation to 0. So 10 into 1, 10. And find the x value. 5 into 2, how much? 5 into 2, 10. 10x by 9 is equal to 0. 10x by 9 is equal to 0. If you want to bring
Yes, sir.
other side, what is going to be? Tell me. 10x by 9 is equal to 10, right? Can I write like this? Can I write it?
Yes, sir.
Because you can just take it outside, other side. Here it's a minus. If you bring other side, what happen? Plus, right? I just wrote here. I mean, you can also do here 10, 10 cancel on both sides. You can do it this easily. Because on both sides you can cancel numerators only. 10 by 1 equal to 10 by 9. 10, 10 cancel. And now x is equal to 9, cross multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Or you can do cross multiplication 90 by 10. You get same thing. Okay? Is it clear? Can I close it? Can I clear it? Sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. I think we're done today. I hope. I think you got a fever, cold or fever. The last problem, I guess. This is a very simple problem again. Velocity of a projectile is given. Velocity of a projectile is given. And it is projected with an angle, how much? 45 with the horizontal direction. Find its range. The velocity of projectile is how much? 40. U is given. And angle theta also 45 degrees.
Yes, sir.
We're asking what is the range. We already know the formula, right? U square, right? I think U or U square. U square, I think, right?
Maybe, sir.
Yeah, it's wrong. So R is equal to U square. Range formula, what is the range formula?
Yes, sir.
U square sine 2 theta by G. So in that case, I should
Yes, sir.
write it 40 into 40 sine theta, how much they gave? 45. 2 theta means
Yes,
how
sir.
much? 2 into 45.
90.
90 degrees. Sine 90, how much?
Sign 0.
Sure?
Maybe, sir. I don't know. I
Sine
don't
0,
know.
0, right? Sine 90 also 0.
Yes, sir. 1, I think.
Starting table with 0. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 3 by 2, 1.
Yes,
Sine
sir.
90 is just now only I mentioned, right? Sine
Yes,
0,
sir.
0. Remember that sine function, first function, sine 0, 0. Sine 31 by 2. Sine 45,
Yes,
1 by
sir.
root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 91.
Yes, sir.
90 sine maximum. Cos 0, 1. Cos become a reverse. Sine 0, 0, sine 91. Never forget this. Okay. Even when you become 60,
Yes, sir.
70 years old, I mean, this is very, this is basic. So without knowing these angles, you cannot do anything. So if you remember
Yes,
that
sir.
one row, I mean, you can do anything in the trigonometry. Mathematics, one entire first year mathematics is trigonometry. So you should, this importance of trigonometry is you have to do, you have to give effort. Otherwise, very tough. So G I can give the 10. G is acceleration due to gravity 9.8 or 10. Okay. So now 40 into 40, one zero will cancel one of the zero. So 4 4 is 160. 4 40 into 4 160. Sin 90 is 1. So answer is 160 meters.
Yes, sir.
The so yeah, range is nothing but distance only, right? Displacement. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I guess we are done. I guess we are done. I think no more. Right. We have completed today, but next class also we are going to work on the maybe
Mm.
problems and vectors. Maybe a few more problems on this topic. Then after that we'll move on to more laws of motion, Newton laws.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay, Pranav. Good night. Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any
Okay.
doubts? Do you have any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, but I told you, you should make it doubts next class. You should supposed to ask one of the both of you have to ask the questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.